what kind of weather phenomena affects the performance of the airplane?
What kind of weather phenomena? We have our pressure, then
And
we have our temperature.
how does the pressure affect the performance of the plane?
A higher pressure is good for the plane.
Okay.
A temperature is also one of them.
Okay. Is higher temperature good for the plane? Low
It's
temperature is good for the plane. Okay.
And then we have humidity. Low humidity is good for the plane.
Low humidity is good for the plane. Do you know
why? Because that humidity molecules,
Mhm.
they take up the space where the air should be,
Mhm.
which means there's less air flowing above the wings.
Okay, because we need air flowings of the wing in order to create the lift.
Yes.
And now we have water molecules, they actually inhibit the wing's ability to create lift. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay, great. Very good.